In every Voce's titles, there are some great vocabulary review games found under the video game controller icon in the top navigation bar. You'll see that you have options for the match game, the flashcard challenge, and the Voce's story shuffle, as well as the more classic roundup game. Now, these games are available to the students and they can play and review at any time. However, you can't assign the games from this section. In order to assign a game, you would need to create an embedded game page. So in this video, we'll walk through the steps of how to create that page. Start in the upper left-hand corner of your account by clicking the View Directory icon. Now choose the chapter or unit where you'd like to add the game. You may even choose a specific section of a unit. You'll always see the Add a New Page Here button at the end of the section or unit that you're in. Click Add a New Page here and give the page a name. Once you click Create, you'll be in the Activity Creator. This is where you'll be able to design the activity page. We always start on a new page by choosing the page type. In this video, we're going to choose Embedded Game, but there are specific videos for creating a standard or a recording activity as well. Once you've chosen your page type, again in this example, Embedded Game, you'll then be able to choose your grading style, as well as whether or not all of the content is available at once, or even if the order is shuffled for each student. Once you're happy with your settings here, click Create Page, and now you'll be able to add a new section to the page. Now on embedded games, we do have just a few section types. We can add content. That would be anything like a video or image or even just a copy block of text. We can add a vocabulary list or can-do statements. And then of course we can add either an embedded match game or flashcard challenge game. Choosing the game type will then allow you to type directions for the students. So here you may want to change the title of the section. I'm going to title this one Match Game. And then the directions, which are visible to the students. So in this example, we may say something like play each game once and then submit. Just anything that you want them to know about what you expect them to do with this activity. You can also add images, links, or videos here, or even record audio directions to the students. Next, we can change the point value for each game, so you can give any amount of points you'd like for each round that they play. Finally, click Create Section, and now we'll see on the left-hand side the section we created with the directions to the students, and on the right-hand side, the ability to add another section or to add or edit questions. It does seem a little bit counterintuitive because we're adding a game, but always to add content to a section, we'll choose the Add or Edit option. So we would click Add or Edit Questions, and then create a new question. For the match game, you'll be able to choose which vocabulary set you'd like them to use, the students. You can also choose how many cards the game should show. You can choose also to show no audio clues, so the students will only see images or written clues. Click Add Game, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a preview where it says the game will load, and on the right-hand side, of course, the options to edit, delete, or add new content. Once we're done here, we'll go ahead and click Close. And now I'm going to create a new section and choose Flashcard Challenge. Flashcard Challenge will do the same thing. We'll be able to label the section, give directions to the students, adjust the point value, and then add the section. Then we'll again click Add or Edit Questions, but this time we'll see the option to choose which vocabulary set and then which game mode. So we'll choose either Speed or Perfection. Again, we can choose no audio and then add the game. Once we're done here, we'll close out of our section, click Save Page, and then close the editor. Now, if I click on the page I created, I'll see the match game here at the top and the flashcard challenge at the bottom. If you don't see your page or the changes, try refreshing your browser. Sometimes it does require that to see the updates, but you should see it there after refreshing. And of course, if you have any questions or run into any trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to us using any of the options under the question mark icon within your account.